Sergeant Hamid Armani's decision to join the NYPD in 2006 was informed by his passion for public service and the rule of law.
Born and raised in Afghanistan, seen a lot of injustice. My goal and motivation was one day I'll become a law enforcement officer and I'll do the right thing.
Last man, Armani not only did the right thing, he acted with selflessness and bravery, attempting to save hundreds of lives in Times Square. At around 11:30 p.m. on July the 20th, a man tossed the device into the van Sergeant Armani was driving in, along with his partner, Officer Peter Cybulski.
I look at Cybulski, and I look at the device that was thrown inside the car. The light started flashing, make noise. Cybulski goes, "Boss, this is a bomb." I looked around. The very first thing I saw, there was a family passing by and two little kids right in front of my van. I was like, I can't do it. I cannot leave this device right here. Looking to my left, there were thousands of people.
Sergeant Armani drove several blocks to a deserted area where he threw the device to the street and called the bomb squad.
I never thought, like, am I going to save a Muslim's life or a Christian or Catholic or Jewish? No. My goal was it would be human life. And it doesn't matter if it's going to cost my life.
Carlos Nieves, a public information officer at New York City Police Department, thinks Sergeant Armani and his partner are heroes of the people of New York City.
The actions of Sergeant Armani and his partner were absolutely incredible and selfless. They took what they believed to be an actual bomb, placing themselves in harm's way in order to prevent the loss of life, mass loss of life in Times Square.
Police eventually arrested a suspect, and the device turned out to be a dud. But Armani's and Cybulski's selflessness and dedication to public service was the real thing. Hasib Al-Khozai, VOA News, New York City.